Hello guys, so nag-request si Thea ng french fries, and since nakakatakot umorder ngayon online or magpa-deliver ng mga ready to eat food dahil sa sitwasyon ngayon, so magluluto ako from scratch dahil wala din kaming frozen, hindi kami nag-stock ng frozen fries. So here, patatas of course. Then, ihiwain ko lang sila. Okay. Buti na lang meron kaming knife dito. Para may design naman yung fries. See? So, ganito yung mga ganito sa lalabasan. So here, nag-slice ako ng potato, so ng patatas, and then I put it straight here sa cold water. Hindi ko na siya ilalagay sa freezer or sa ref. Ida-dry up ko lang siya after. Tapos, sabay ko rito.
Where's the shape part?
Ito na yung slice kong patatas. So, pinapatuyin ko sila. Sabi nga ni Erwan, patuyuin mo still with social distancing. Okay. So, I'm using a tissue para yung excess water tayo. Sana maluto ko na. Kailangan malinis ng towel, kitchen towel. Or kung meron kayong, ano tawag sila nun? Yung wrap lang. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay doon. Kung may enough time pa kayo para magtatayo. Pero kasi si Thea, gusto niya na daw. Sabi nila, patience is a virtue. Pero, wala akong patience, kaya gagamit ako ng food blower para patuyo siya, guys. Ito lang kung effective ko, pero saan effective. Effective ko. Kapatid ko siya. Pero pagka hindi, don't edit na ako. At umubal mo mag-iba. Okay yan. What are you doing? You broke your back?
I broke my back, that's why I do this.
Ah, you're stretching.
Yes.
Okay. Are you hungry na? Hindi pa luto yung french fries mo. Okay.
I just want to say.
Ah, okay.
That chicken likes jumping.
Really?
Yes, and flying.
Oh, don't jump na. Cooking time!
Mommy, Jojo Siwa, it have a pretty face and a pretty hair and a
So I think ready na ang first batch. Yeah, golden brown na siya. So put it straight to the strainer para ma-drain yung excess oil. Second batch na tayo. So within the first batch, second batch. So kakain na si Thea ng French fries.
Mommy, you're such a good mom.
Oh, hindi kita tinuruan na. Wow. Yummy.
I'm eating French fries here.
Okay,
So
you want
yummy.
ketchup with mayo? You can try it, anak.
What's ketchup?
Ketchup, this one, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, but it's like spicy.
It's not spicy, anak. Yummy?
This is spicy.
No. Try it.
So sweet.
Mm-hmm.
These nuts.
You call Tita Asma, Tita Kyra, Tita Sol.